Hello friends, I am here in my truck today to install this tiny thing. And what this is a device to allow you to plug your dash cam or your GoPro, if you're doing it that way, into the back of your rearview mirror, and then you have a USB out, and you have to run wires all over the top of your cab. So I just got this today. The shipping was amazingly fast. I don't know, looks like it'll do the trick. Let me go ahead and install it.
All right, so here we go. This is literally a 10-second install. Pull out that plug. There's a tab on top. Push down the tab. Pull out the plug. Take the device. Stick it in the hole. Take the other plug you took out. Stick it in the other hole. Now you gotta find yourself a USB plug. This is probably the hardest part because you have to find a really short one. I luckily have a metric ton of USB cables around my house. I'm a USB cable hoarder. But you plug that into the top, and then just plug it into the back of your dash cam. You might need a little bit longer cable than I have here, depending on your situation. It also would be a lot smarter to disconnect, or not disconnect, but unmount your dash cam so you can, you know, actually plug in the back without fiddling around with it for a needless amount of time. You'd save like 3 seconds. Look at me just fiddling with it. Anyway, there you go. Installed.
Alright, let's see if this works. Well, that's powering up and facing the right direction. And the dash cam is powered up. So that looks like success to me. Now, since I already have this cable here, what the hell do I do with this? I guess I better just pull it all out. Why did I buy this thing? I already have a cable running there. Oh well. And if you explain why I bought this thing, let's see. I've got this for my phone, this for my tablet, and I've got another one. This one is for the dash cam, which I don't need anymore. So now I only need, it frees up some USB plugs in here. That's why I did it. I needed more USB plugs because they never have enough USB plugs.